Hello, everybody. So, welcome to another episode of Decoding IPOs with the Finance and Investment Cell of Kirori College. Today, we'll be talking about the IPO of Amanta Healthcare. So, talking about the company, it was incorporated in December 1994, and it is a pharmaceutical company that specializes in development, manufacturing, and marketing of a diverse array of sterile liquid products, specifically parenteral products, which are packaged in plastic containers utilizing ABFS and injection stretch blow molding. So, like, these are some technical terms. And then, if we come to the company financials, we can see that Amanta Healthcare's revenue decreased by 2% and its PAT rose by 189% between the financial years ending with March 31st, 25 and March 31st, 2024. So, like, if we have a look at this table, we can see that its assets were 381.76 crores as of 31st March 2025, and it has shown a rise from as compared to 2024. All the other indicators are also visible in this table, and you can have a look at them. Mostly in most of the indicators, we can see that there is an improvement. However, there are some indicators like total income, wherein we have a decline compared to 2024, and total borrowing has declined, and that's a good thing. And yeah, now if we move on to the key performance indicators, the market capitalization is of 489.25 crores, and the key performance indicators as of March 31st, 2025 are as follows. ROE is 12.42%, ROCE is 13.72%, debt equity ratio is 2.02, which is quite high. RONW is 10.89%, PAT margin is 3.86%, and EBITDA margin is 22.11%. Price to book value is 3.77. So that's the basic about what the financials look like. Then, if we move on to the gray market price of Amanta Healthcare, then we can see that, uh, yeah, just a second. Yeah, Amanta Healthcare's grey market premium, that is GMP, uh, as on 2nd September 2025, it is rupees 12. And other than that, if we have to look at the other details about whether it is an investable IP or not, we can have a look at this chart. We can look at this chart, and there are also some strengths and weaknesses of the company. So, like, if we talk about the strengths, we have that we have in the sense that it exports its products to 21 countries, which gives it a wide reach and more business opportunities. So, like, the market size is bigger, therefore there is comparatively a lower level of risk when we compare it to companies which are only based in the Indian market. Now, other than that, it has high operational efficiency, which with production machines running at over 90%, so assets aren't sitting idle. Then we also have the diverse portfolio advantage. Like, we have a diverse portfolio of essential hospital medicines, making the business less risky if one type loses demand. Like, if, say, tomorrow the government introduces some regulations regarding a specific type of medicines. In case of Amanta Healthcare, because there are a diverse type of medicines that are being sold, so it makes it comparatively less risky. Then return on equity is also 12.4%, which makes it 12.40, which means that it makes a profit of rupees 12.40 for every 100 rupees invested by shareholders. Now, if we look at the risks of the IPO or the company in general, we have that all the manufacturing happens at one place, and if something goes wrong at the Gujarat plant, the whole business stops. Then we have uh, that the top 10 customers bring nearly 29% of the revenue, so losing a few could hurt sales sharply. Now, if we talk about the debt equity, as I told, that the debt equity ratio is quite high. And because the debt is high, for every 100 rupees in equity, the company owes 202 rupees in loans, which could limit future borrowing or squeeze profits. And at the end, we can say that finance costs eat up almost 46% of the company's operating profit, which makes the profits fragile if interest rates rise. So that's the basic about the details of Amanta Healthcare's IPO. I hope that all of you learned something valuable from today's video, and we'll be seeing you in the next episode. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.